ChatGPT identifies tokens that could double or quintuple investments. The cryptocurrency market may be gearing up for a growth phase, and investors are actively seeking tokens that could yield substantial returns. This article analyzes recent trends that have identified promising investment opportunities that could multiply invested funds several times over. Below is a detailed review of these assets. BlastUP pre-sale gains momentum, raises $5 million in months. BlastUP, the main launchpad platform on the Blast blockchain, has recently attracted the attention of the crypto community by raising $5 million in just a few months. Many investors are rushing to purchase BlastUP tokens before their value skyrockets. Token buyers at this stage will subsequently receive additional tokens as part of an airdrop. Additionally, they will be able to earn interest by staking their assets. BlastUP stands out among other projects. The platform is built on the L2 Blast blockchain, which ranks among the top 10 in terms of total value locked, TVL. BlastUP solutions have broad practical applications, making this platform a good choice for many blockchain startups aiming for rapid growth. Those joining BlastUP become part of a project poised to explode during the next bull rally. Aptos prices fluctuate between $8.13 and $10.12. Over the past week, its price has dropped by 16.36%. Over the month, the coin has fallen by 48.58%, although it has increased by 19.68% over the last 6 months. The nearest resistance is pegged at $11.26, while support lies around $7.27. The recent decline in Aptos likely represents a market correction. Aptos's forecast includes various scenarios. Midterm analysis suggests a potential for growth, relying on a positive 6-month trend. However, low relative strength index, RSI, and stochastic values may indicate a potentially oversold asset state. In the near future, Aptos could break the resistance level around $11.26, but potential bearish pressure could push the price down to the next support level at $5.28. SAY trades in the range of 53 cents to 67 cents. In the past week, the cryptocurrency's value has decreased by 11.01% and by 29.64% over the month. However, it has grown by 395.03% over the last 6 months. RSI and stochastic indices suggest a possible oversold state of the coin. The forecast for SAY anticipates potential rallies as well as some risks. The nearest resistance level is at 74 cents, and support is around 47 cents. Given the current bearish trend, further decline to the next support level around 33 cents should not be ruled out. However, if SAY breaks through the barrier near 74 cents, the price may rise to the next resistance level at 88 cents. Among the tokens listed, BlastUP stands out from APT and SCI due to its highest potential for rapid growth. This is due to the unique concept of the project and its inclusion in the Blast ecosystem, making the asset particularly attractive for those interested in short-term investments. For this reason, BlastUP may become a market leader during the upcoming bull rally. Chainlink Labs and Rapid Addition to launch blockchain adapter for banks. Chainlink Labs is developing an adapter for institutional trading of digital assets, set to be integrated into the Financial Information Exchange (FIX) tool provided by electronic trading solutions firm Rapid Addition. This innovation will enable banks and other financial institutions to interact with a broad spectrum of tokenized assets. The adapter will operate on the basis of Chainlink's cross-chain protocol, the Cross-Chain Interoperability Protocol, CCIP, which facilitates the movement of tokens between public and private banking blockchains and launches multi-network smart contracts, addressing the issue of liquidity fragmentation. CCIP is already utilized by banks including ANZ, BNP Paribas, BNY Mellon, Citi, and Lloyds Banking Group, and in late April, the Chainlink team opened access to the protocol. The integration is expected to be employed in sectors such as renewable energy and real-world assets, RWA, like real estate, infrastructure, and collectibles. It will provide a unified source of reliable trade allocation information that can be simultaneously used by asset managers, brokers, and custodians. This information can also be transferred to legacy systems, reducing the incidence of calculation errors and failures. Vince Turcotte, head of business development at Chainlink Labs in APAC, explained that asset managers and their clients can reduce costs by having a single source of trustworthy settlement instructions accessible to all transaction counterparts and continuously updated 24/7. He also noted that institutions focused on digital technologies would be the first to implement the new product. Chainlink's native token, Link, is currently ranked 18th in the overall cryptocurrency market capitalization with a value of $7.6 billion, trading at $12.91, having lost 2.1% in one day. The drop since the beginning of the year stands at 13.5%. Economist Raoul Pal remains optimistic about cryptocurrency growth. Despite a downturn in the overall value of cryptocurrencies and a 17% drop in Bitcoin over the past month, British financial expert Raoul Pal predicts a recovery during the crypto summer. Pal describes the current market situation as a typical pause, anticipating a period he calls the banana zone, which he believes will trigger full-blown mania in the second half of the year, stretching into 2025. Pal added that the crypto summer usually marks the beginning of the infamous altcoin season, and in his view, this bubble will inflate by autumn. This is the period when Ethereum begins to outperform Bitcoin. It's also when Solana will solidify its dominance over Bitcoin and Ethereum, noted the former Goldman Sachs executive. According to Pal, the crypto summer and fall will confuse many and plunge them into euphoria, after which meme coins will lose value, and AI and RWA tokens will follow suit. We will see about 2 more unpleasant corrections due to excessive leverage. This banana zone will test our patience, he concluded. New projects for Bitcoin blockchain, understanding how runes truly function. On April 20th, the launch day of Runes, the Bitcoin network witnessed a surge in transactions related to this project, reaching 463,624, while other transactions totaled only 163,180. This means that more than 70% of blockchain transactions were attributed to Runes, directly correlating with the unprecedented rise in transaction fees. Runes transactions continued to dominate Bitcoin transactions for several days. A record 81.3% of all transactions was set on April 23rd, until April 25th, when the numbers roughly evened out. Bitcoin then regained the lead, although the presence of Runes in the network remains quite noticeable. Similar to BRC-20 tokens, Runes are entirely dependent on the Bitcoin blockchain but are designed to integrate more seamlessly into the Bitcoin ecosystem and clutter the blockchain less. Unspent transaction output, UTXO, refers to a specific amount of BTC that has not yet been spent by the user and can be used for a new transfer. A rune is tied to a UTXO using the OP_return function. This function allows a small amount of data to be recorded and attached to a transaction. Runes utilizes OP_return to store data and transaction processing features. This data includes information about the token, including name, identifier, symbol, commands for specific actions, and similar details. Protocol messages of runes stored in the OP_return of a transaction are called runestones. Thus, during the etching stage, the general architecture of the rune token is set. The minting, issuance of rune token units, then occurs according to the conditions specified during etching. Once issued, runes can be exchanged. During the launch of Ordinals in BRC-20, the project faced criticism from the crypto community, primarily over the idea that such misuse of OP_return could lead to pollution of the Bitcoin blockchain. Essentially, this did happen. Looking at the first few days post-halving, we see an unpleasant picture. Rune transactions flooded the blockchain, and fees soared to previously unreachable heights. However, the situation is quickly rectified. Rune transactions are decreasing day by day. Regardless, runes are unlikely to leave anyone in the crypto community indifferent. Meme coin enthusiasts and proponents of blockchain experimentation will welcome the protocol, while more conservative crypto enthusiasts will criticize the increased fees and the cluttering of the blockchain of the first cryptocurrency.